Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lilburn Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me. Long distance relocations cover a distance of over 50 miles. Due to the far distance, long distance moves require proper preparation. 3 Movers help you in the planning and execution process. Our movers are trustworthy and conversant with minor and major routes, which have helped us deliver your belongings to your new location on time. Our drivers follow all highway rules and regulations. We also have the necessary insurance that would cover any accidents that may occur during the move. Your long-distance relocation is in safe and capable hands when you hire our services. Long-distance relocations are usually more stressful and costly when you compare them to local moves. Local relocation covers a distance of less than 50 miles from your present location. Despite the shorter distance, there is a high case of unsuccessful or stressful local moves. It is mainly because people do not pay enough attention to the planning process until everything goes wrong. At 3 Movers, we help you plan a smooth and successful local move in Lilburn, Georgia. Our moving services are also the cheapest in the city and beyond. Our local moves cost between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lilburn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.